In this video, I'm going to introduce the master controller we have here and the slave controller. So the master controller XB809. Here on the back here, you can see we have the SD port. So this controller, you can use it offline or online. This is your SD port where you connect your SD card. I'm going to use the program and design the effects. Then I'll plug in the SD card and you see how it works without using the Ethernet cable. So if you want to use it online, you need to use the Ethernet cable. This is the Ethernet cable which is connected on net 1. So you connect it on net 1, this on your master controller, and connect it to the slave controller. On this slave controller, I have this controller which goes by the name T700K. So on T700K, you need to connect on your first slave controller. Then if you want to connect to the next one, you need to plug it here on net out. Then you connect to the third controller. This controller, which is XB809, it can also support address writing. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do the address writing. So you need to click on more setting here. You go on more settings, then you go on DMX. You click on DMX. On DMX here, you can see here, you need to click on chip and you select the chip number. So in this case, I'm using TM512AC. Then after that, you click write address. Then you need to write the address. Then you go on the lead strip. The lead strip first, you turn off, then you turn white. You can see now it's processing the address. So that's what you basically need to do to write your address. Then now let's test our address. So now you can see the neon lead strip is running, testing all the lists they are set. Let me go back to the controller. So now you can check the colors. You can check different colors. You can see now it's changing colors. So it's checking the address. Now we're testing the address we wrote before. You can come on dim and change different colors. You can see it's changing different colors on dim. So on dim, that's where you switch colors. You can attend different colors. On count here, if you just want to change the number of pixels, you can choose the number of pixels on there. Also, you can change the channel. If you are using RGB or RGBW, you can also change the channel as well. You can change the speed and the IC type number, as I mentioned before. So that's all about setting the address.